ह्यूज स्कॅम आणि लहान प्लेयरांक अरेस्ट करतात. हू आर द मिनिस्टर? वेअर डज दिस लीड टू? मास्टर माइंड कोण? सगळ्यांक खबर आसा मास्टर माइंड कोण ते. बट देर बारीक बारीक हांकां एजंटांक जे कलेक्शन एजंट आहा तांकां अरेस्ट करतात.
Congress has given ultimatum to government to set up the conditions.
Yes.
And today
आम्ही स्टार्टिंगच्यान म्हणटा वन इज
today
इन्क्वायरी.
deadline is over. आज deadline काबार झाली.
So accordingly the Congress leadership in Goa will be taking a call. What are your intentions? I want to ask the SP. What are your intentions of giving a clean chit to the politician when everybody knows who are involved in that? This is where law and order suffers because they succumb to the pressure of these politicians. These chores are ruling the thing and police under pressure. Police should not succumb. Only when a free and fair trial is conducted, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी रखें. Otherwise, they will always continue all these things, exploiting the youth. So, we will expose the government. That will be strategize. आमची पार्टी strategize करतली कशें रेज करपाचें पयलीं. कित्याक डबल इंजिन म्हणटा. So naturally connect is there with the engine in Delhi. हांगा येदो व्हडलो जॉब स्कॅम जाला. Buck is stopping right at the highest office in Goa. हे बीजेपीचो सरकार आसा पळय दिल्ली, ताणें should have taken note and ordered for inquiry. I would say they should have dismissed his सरकार.